Don't stop!
Hi guys, Paul here, Resinzwood Tables and also PassionArt. So Jenny and myself have formed another group, and that's PassionArt, and PassionArt is New Zealand art and resin supplies. This is going to run in conjunction as well as separately from Resinzwood Tables, the PassionArt Couple YouTube channel. So make sure you go to YouTube, look up the PassionArt Couple, PassionArt Couple, and we do lots of funky artwork. We also do tables and all sorts of things between PassionArt and Resinzwood Tables NZ. So today Jenny has just done a great dirty pour. You've done a good dirty pour there, Jenny. I like the dirty pour. So anyway, I said to Jenny, hey look, I'm going to put a different spin on it. You can watch the tutorial videos on Jenny's 2 dirty pours she's done, and I'm just about to do my dirty pour. Anyway guys, my pour is really dirty. So I'm using soft rose passion, using vibrant purple, colour passion. I'm using Kaimi shimmer, colour passion, all colour passion products. We've got red lobster, we've got mandarin, we've got lemon twist. What else have I got on this right now? I've got basil white, yellow passion, and Deborah shimmer. I'm just going to use this one that Jenny used. I don't like wasting containers. And unlike Jenny, Jenny covered her base here with basil white, but I'm not going to cover my base. I'm just going to pour about, pull the whole lot. I'll pour 80 straight in the centre. Right here. So my finishing colours are going to be my lemon twist. So I'm going for, and unlike Jenny, Jenny poured thirds. I'm just going all out of my body. So I'm putting my lemon twist in first. Okay guys, so there's my lineup. Got all my colours in there, we're all lined up. And now, instead of pouring that out, I'm just going to just go for it. I'm just going for it. I'm just going for it.
Yeah, I didn't leave my board up, so I know it's mostly all over the place.
Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit that with some gas in a second. The name for this piece is Cosmic Sunrise.
Hi guys, on behalf of Paul and myself, I would like to thank you for you guys watching our video.